Okay, out here in Depew, we've got a gutter. We can see the leaves actually falling down and into the gutters now. We got a big old splash guard up here on this gutter for some unknown reason. Should just have one actually at the valley, but we'll go through, clean these gutters out. They're pretty old. They're pretty rough shape. They're not really positioned well because this one looks like they're all strap, or most of them are strap hungs, but this one here is actually pushed behind the fascia and its end cap's short from the roof. But we'll give them some numbers to clean out the gutters and tweak whatever's loose. Like this end cap's got to be sucked in a little bit. It's kind of out of whack. This gutter needs to be replaced, I think. We'll clean it out, and if we get up there and we can't get that miter to stop leaking, we definitely have to put an inside splash guard here. We'll come like a foot out this way and then a foot out that way, and it'll stick up above the gutter so this water that's rushing out of the valley won't be shooting over anymore. So we'll see if we can get it cleaned out and put a splash guard on it, make sure the downspout's clean, because right here something's happening. This drain tile might be plugged too, because this darkness of this where this brick is, she needs to come out here during a rain and see if water's shooting out of that seam where the downspout leads. It looks like it is, and if it is, then that drain tile's got to get snaked out also. But this is holding water now, so and it's dripping, so this has got to get cleaned out pretty quick. But again, if we clean it out, they might still have a problem with the drain tile. Front gutter on the porch is okay. Clean it out, check all these downspouts and flowing, and then we got an upper downspout here. We want to replace that 3-foot drop. You can see the back of the seam is busted out, and seal it off and clean it up, because I can see water leaking behind this gutter as we speak. Same with this downspout here. So that's what we want to do. Get the gutters working, and then she should, during a good hard rain, just sneak your head out this porch door and see if the water's shooting out of the top of these drain tiles where this is, on all of them. If they are, then you know that those are clogged on a good hard rain, and that's the way to check it.